Hello everybody, Blue Dooley, and we're up here in Island Park at 10 foot 8 inches wide, and boy, we really came up roads you're not supposed to have 18 wheelers up, especially with a wide load. It was a little tricky getting in here, and I wish I had my GoPro because I could do a little better filming. So you're gonna have to put up with a little phone footage, and then I'll trigger the dash cam on the way out. I didn't think to trigger it on the way up because I was more concerned with not dropping the trailer in a ditch or smacking the load on the trees. But really pretty drive up here. It would have been a lot better if they weren't doing utility work, because that would have gave me a little more room getting up here. But enjoy the video on the drive out, and we'll catch you later. Alright, got the trusses unloaded, and you can kind of see my marks here where I pulled in at. So that's the road heading north and away from the highway I came in on. That's the road we're heading down to get back out the way we came. And got kind of close to that tree pulling in here. But we'll jump in the truck and get rolling here. Alright, we'll get rolling out of here. This is one of those instances where this automated transmission is just a giant pain in the ass. Didn't want to downshift up any of these hills, and it just thought it should stay in fourth, even though it really needed to be in second. And yes, I realize we're out here in the weeds, but I need to miss that tree with the trailer. Let's go manual. Keep you in third here. But we're a little better than a glorified Jeep trail. I mean, at least this is a road. Utility work really kind of made this a lot worse than it should be. I'm gonna have to run over their trench, fortunately. Keep the trailer out of those rocks over there. So if any of the utility guys working up here at Island Park see this, I apologize for having to run over your trenches. You can actually see some of my tracks from coming in. Those are my trailer marks on the left there. Where I ran through that hole, because I really don't have much of an option. In these kind of roads, you got to be really careful, because somebody on an ATV or side-by-side might come through here, just hauling ass. Hope I missed that. Don't think we're gonna miss it with the trailer though. We gotta miss that tree with the front end. Yeah, I don't know if they must be doing internet, would be my guess. Be my guess is internet. That's just what you want in your cabin to get away from everything, is internet. Hopefully I can get by those guys, because I don't know if Timber Heights actually let me go where I need to go. Doesn't look like the way I came. No. I gotta figure out which way I need to go. Pardon me. That's here. I'll go over here. That was through one bottleneck. Hopefully I didn't squash your box. And now we're on the main road. least I don't have to worry about radio getting me copyright strikes because there's no radio station up here. At least none that one that I've found. I guess orange could be gas. First time we actually got above 15 miles an hour, the door locked. There are a lot of ATV trails up here, so you kind of got to keep your eye open for little kids on dirt bikes and things. Although usually the truck makes enough noise that they can hear me over the dirt bike. Well, at least film till we get out to the main road. But I definitely need to start being better about bringing my cameras to work, especially if I know if I'm coming up here to Highland Park or Ketchum or Sun Valley or Stanley. Regular neighborhoods aren't, well, I mean, they're pretty, but I seem to forget the camera gear on days that make for really good video. But now that we're out here at the dirt road, 15 minutes after leaving the house that we dropped off, actually I guess almost 20 minutes, that's going to do it for this video. Hope everyone had a good Monday, because that's when I film this, and we'll catch you in the next video.